Everyone, hello. Today we are going to connect fraction multiplication with decimal multiplication. So as we've learned with fractions and decimals, this green bar is 1/10 because it's one of 10 pieces. I can write it as a decimal or as a fraction. Either way, it says 1/10. This would be 3/10 because it's 3 out of 10 pieces. This would be 1/100th. It's 1 out of 100 pieces. Again, here's the decimal, here's the fraction. This would be, you guessed it, 9/100ths. It's 9 out of 100 pieces. So let's say I have my 1/10, and I want to know what 1/10 of it would be. So I want to know 1/10 times 1/10. So I would divide it into 10 pieces, and I would color in one of those 10 pieces. So 1/10 of 1/10 is 1/100th. Here's my equation with decimals. 1/10 times 1/10 is 1/100th. Here's the same thing, but with fractions. We could also use the area model. I could put 1/10 going up and 1/10 going sideways, and I see that they overlap on one square, which is 1/100th. Same equation with the area model. Let's check out another example. This example shows 1/10 going up and 1, 2, 3/10 going sideways. It's 3 of those sticks, and they overlap in this area, which is 3/100ths. So I could again write a decimal equation or a fraction equation. Now this one shows 3/10ths that are green because it's 3 green bars. You could say 3 columns of green and 4 rows of blue. Where they overlap, there's 12/100ths. So here's my decimal equation. Here's my fraction equation. So on the first page of your practice, you're going to match the fraction equation to the decimal equation. So this picture shows 7 rows going side to side and 7 columns going up and down. There are 49 squares where they overlap. We can write that as 7/10 times 7/10 equals 49/100ths. So let me look down here for the same equation with decimals. Hey, there we go. 7/10 times 7/10 equals 49/100ths. Now you find the next 3. On the next page, we're going to see the picture and write the equation. So I see this has 3 columns and 9 rows. So it's 3/10 times 9/10, and my answer would be the orange part. So 3/10 times 9/10 equals 27/100ths. Decimal equation, same thing. See if you can do the next 2. Ready? Let's get started.